Hey guys, Jaryd here from Gopro Tutorials and Films, and in this tutorial we're going to be looking at how to make your GoPro footage look a little bit raw and have a high bitrate. Alright, so first thing you want to do, guys, is just get your video and chuck it into Final Cut Pro. Now you want to color grade it, stabilize it, whatever you want to do that now. So I'm just going to quickly color grade it. Alright. Now once you've color graded it, this is the last thing I do for all my GoPro videos. Now I get a JPEG of a grey picture. So it's just a complete grey. That's all it is, just one complete thing. See how this is completely grey, nothing else. You can do this with other colors, but grey gives the effect that I'm after here. So you want to sort of drag that straight on top of your video. Now what that does at first is covers the whole entire video. But you go over to your effects panel over here and then go into compositioning. You want to go to blend mode and go down to difference. Now what this does is apply a really weird effect so that what this does is that the brighter parts of this video, the grey isn't as noticeable, but in the darker parts, grey is very, very noticeable, which is good because GoPro really doesn't have much detail in the shadows anyway, so this covers it up with a little bit of a nice effect. Now this looks weird at first, but if you put it down to 2%, it gives this sort of nice raw sort of video to it. It makes it look like it's got a really high bit rate and gives it a really nice high dynamic range sort of shot. Now that's all that you have to do for these shots. So you can play it around, so you can put on 5%, it looks a little bit extreme, but it's just an example of what the shot can do. But all the while, it doesn't really affect this main section here. Now if you watch this when I change from 2% to 5%, it really doesn't change at all. But when you notice the shadows, like down in this section, when I changed it to 2%, and now I go to 5%, massive difference. Now this just gives it a nice little effect to your GoPro videos, which can overall increase your, the quality of your shots. Now this is really important. I do this to every single one of my shots, and it's as simple as it is, it actually makes a great difference to your shots. Alright guys, that's all for this tutorial, and I hope you guys stay around. I hope you subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.